So here's the box and whisker plot that we drew in class. This is the lesson on analyzing box and whisker plots. So I drew the box and whisker plot. I don't know how some things got erased. Don't know how that happened. But we just ordered the numbers from least to greatest, made the box and whisker plot. So my box and whisker plot is split up into 4 colors. I split it up into 4 colors so you can see it easier. It's really just split up into 4 sections. Now, because you're thinking of this as 100%, each quarter of the box and whisker plot is worth 25% of the data. Okay, so again, it's worth 25%. Each quarter is worth 25% of the data. So the first quarter is from the first dot to the second dot. Where's my little pointer? The first dot to the second dot. The next quarter is from the second dot to the third, third to the fourth, and fourth to the fifth. So each section of the box and whisker plot is worth 25% of the data. From here, the question's asking you to now analyze that box and whisker plot. What is the range? The range is the highest number, so max minus the min. The max was 92 and the min was 50, so that gives us 42. The inner quartile range is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So the upper quartile was, somehow I erased my numbers by accident. Upper quartile was, I think, 74, and then the lower quartile was, let's see, 59 maybe? 59. So that gave us 15. All right, so here are the percent questions. Now we use what I drew up here. So what percent have a resting heart rate of less than 66 beats per minute? So you find 66 beats per minute on the graph, which happens to be the median, and how many quarters of the graph has a resting heart rate of less than 66? So that's 1 quarter and 2 quarters. So 2 quarters is worth 50%. The next question says what percent have a resting heart rate of no more than 74? So 74 is the upper quartile. So no more than that is less than that. So that's 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarters. So that's 75%. E says what percent have a resting heart rate between 50 and 59? So that is only 1 quarter, which is worth 25%. And the last one is what percent of the data have a resting heart rate between 66 and 92. So 66 is here, 92 is here, so that's 1 quarter, 2 quarters. So that is 50%.